operating systems within the body must balance each other to work effectively, such as the circulatory system, which is the body's protective nutritional transport system. It is made up of a group of organs that transport red blood corpuscles throughout the body, as well as white blood cells. The heart pumps the blood, and the arteries and veins transport it. The average heart beats 3 billion times in a lifetime. You have the digestive system. It's made up of organs that break down foods into protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats, which the body needs for energy, growth, and repair. The endocrine system is made up of a group of glands that produce the body's hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that manage body functions such as metabolism, growth, and sexual development. The glands, which include the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, the adrenal glands, thymus gland, pineal gland, pancreas, ovaries, and testes, release hormones directly into the bloodstream, which transport hormones to organs and tissues throughout your body. The immune system is the body's defense system against bacterial and viral infections, as well as disease. Organs, tissues, and cells work together to respond to dangerous organisms like viruses or bacteria, and substances that may enter the body from lifestyle habits and the environment. The lymphatic system is also a defense system for the body. Some say it's part of the immune system. It filters out organisms that cause disease, produces white blood cells, and generates disease-fighting antibodies. It also distributes fluids and nutrients into the body and drains away potentially harmful fluids through the lymph and the thoracic duct, as well as it's amazing at how it can get rid of undesirable proteins. The muscular system is made up of tissues that work with the skeletal system to control movement of the body. Some muscles, like the ones in your arms or your legs, voluntarily manipulated. They are voluntarily manipulated by your brain, implying that you decide when to move them. Other muscles, like the ones in your stomach, heart, intestines, and other organs, are involuntarily manipulated. We've got the nervous system. It's made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. One of the most important systems in the body, the nervous system. The nervous system is your body's management and communication system. It sends messages through the brain, receives and processes nerve impulses throughout the body. These nerve impulses tell your muscles and organs what to do and how to respond to lifestyle events, stress, and the environment. The reproductive system allows humans to produce children. The respiratory system brings air, oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide. It includes the nose, the trachea, lungs. The skeletal system is made up of bones, ligaments, tendons. It shapes the body and protects the organs. The skeletal system works with the muscular system to help the body move. The elimination system eliminates waste from the body in the form of urine, fecal matter, perspiration, and others. Here's some profound information that I hope will wake up many professionals as well as athletic trainers. The pH regulatory system is the most important system in the body. Every other system in the body depends upon the efficacy of the pH regulatory system running the way it's supposed to run. The pH regulatory system can be compared to the operation of a swimming pool. If the pool is too acidic or too alkaline, the pool becomes dirty with contamination, and dirty algae grows everywhere. The pH regulatory system balances the alkalinity and the acidity of all body fluids. It also helps control lactic acid and muscle fibrosis. That will take me an hour to explain that to you, which I won't go into today. But don't be surprised if you discover 90% of all athletes, coaches, trainers, and doctors are completely oblivious to muscle fibrosis. Fibrosis affects everyone who works out, plays ball, runs, bikes, or swims. If you are just a layperson, a doctor, an athlete, a trainer, this is significant and important information for you to know. Muscles cannot effectively grow and get stronger in an acidic environment. Edema, which is water retention, cannot be controlled. Drugs are not as effective. Normal sleep patterns are almost impossible. Stress is amplified. Your memory becomes less efficient. You will lose flexibility. Bowel movements are notably affected. Vision is affected, and parasites, viruses, and diseases are likely ubiquitous. And guess what else? You age prematurely. The body will always remain healthy in an alkaline environment. It gets sick and run down in an acidic environment. The more acidic, the sicker you can become, and the older you look. If everyone only knew this information I'm giving you today, many people could avoid sickness and live a longer, healthier life with lots of energy and stamina. Cleansing nutrients such as New Zealand whey protein, ionic alfalfa, aloe vera, herbs like portiaco, suma, peppermint, yellow dock, senna, turmeric, eleuthero, burdock root, licorice, fennel, ashwagandha, and the berries like raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries all have pH balancing potential and work magnificently in the human body to alkalize and strengthen it. I hope I've given you some amazing information here about pH. The magic happens when the body is in an alkaline state. When we keep eating all the garbage and the junk that we're eating, fast foods and pizza and soda and all this stuff, we are literally endangering our lives and our health. I don't know about you, but I want to live a long, healthy life. So I've learned all I could learn, and I'm still learning more about pH balance within the body. So I hope you take it to heart, what I've taught you today about pH balance. Everything works better if your body is in an alkaline state. You will look younger, feel younger, act younger, and the magic will absolutely happen for you. I'm Tony Escobar. Thank you. Thank you very much.